Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about the format of diary entry. So let's start our lesson. Diary entry. Diaries are extremely popular. All sorts of people ranging from young children to presidents of nations have kept them. Diary writing is a short composition that records the writer's thought, reaction and feelings about the activities which he or she has taken part during a particular day. It helps give an outlet to emotions which the writer is not able to confide into friends or family. A diary is generally not meant to be read by anyone else than the writer. A diary can be a friend, a confidant, a tool that supports feelings, thoughts, or just a collection of dreams and what the writer imagines. More often than not, people find great comfort in writing a diary during their most stressful periods. Example of such a diary entry is the diary kept by Anne Frank, a Jewish girl, during more than 2 years in hiding during the Second World War. A diary usually has a very personal feel to it. Diary can be used to express various sentiments, the joy, sadness, anger, excitement, etc. To express one's thoughts, views, or philosophy, to help one to cope with certain situations or emotions. A diary is often very private. A diary entry is written in formal to language but it still follows a certain format. A diary entry is written in the first person. A diary entry usually begins with the date and place which appear in the top left corner. A diary entry must follow a logical and coherent order. The ideas must be expressed in well thought out paragraphs. The descriptions are usually brief and vivid. The introductory paragraph or sentence may be a comment on the day or one's state of mind. The main body of the diary entry is an expansion of the introduction. It details events of the day and the writer's reaction to them. The diary entry ends with a final remark about the day or one's feelings. Diary entries can be concluded by signing the person's first name. It means diary entry has many features. It is written in informal and creative language. It is always written in the first person and in the past tense as it is a record. It usually starts with the day of the week, date and time. This may be followed by a greeting similar to Dear Diary. The important events of the day are usually recounted in chronological order using vivid descriptions where necessary. The entry may include the writer's state of mind, comments on the events and or a final comment about expectations of the future. It ends with the writer's writing his or her first name. Points to be kept in mind: language must be informal, use short sentences, and record different happenings in different paragraphs. Stress more on emotions and feelings than on the actual events. Maintain the word limit of the entry to within 100 to 150 words. Generally, in short, diary entry has the following elements: place and date, day and year of the occurrence, generally given in the left hand side top corner, time, greeting, content, and signature. Marking scheme for diary entry: for format 2 marks, for content 4 marks, for accuracy 1 marks, for fluency 1 marks. Total 8 marks. Here home assignment is given. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about format of article writing. Thank you.